My dear students, once again I welcome to my English grammar class. I am Biplab Kumar Pandey from Nijamuddin Degree College. The subject of today is complex to simple, episode 2. Rule number 3. If the sentence starts with subject plus relative pronoun plus verb, or subject plus auxiliary verb plus finite verb, subject plus relative pronoun plus auxiliary verb plus finite verb, then we have to write subject RP, that means relative pronoun and auxiliary verb are excluded. Then we have to add ing with the finite verb and remaining portion. For example, the tree which stands before the window has grown old. Here, which is relative pronoun. So, I have to write the tree standing before the window has grown old. Rule number 3b. If the sentence starts with subject plus RP plus, that means relative pronoun, then auxiliary verb, then past participle form of the finite verb, we have to use subject, then auxiliary verb is excluded and other portion are same. For example, the car which is made in Japan runs well. Here, which is the relative pronoun and is auxiliary verb. So, we have to exclude which and each. And others are same. The car made in Japan runs well. Rule number 3c. If the sentence starts with the plus subject plus relative pronoun plus verb plus adjective, we have to write a or an instead of the. Then we have to write the adjective, then the subject, and last of all the next portion of the adjective. For example, the boy which industrious shines in light. Here industrious is adjective and subject is the boy. Here I have write an instead of the, then industrious, then boy, and last of all shines in light. So this sentence is an industrious boy shines in light. Rule 3d. If the sentence starts with subject plus verb plus object plus relative pronoun, then we have to follow this rule. Subject, verb and object will be remain unchanged. Then relative pronoun and auxiliary verb, if there is any auxiliary verb, are excluded. Then finite verb plus ing and remaining portion. For example, she took a cabin that belonged to the orphanage. Here, that is a relative pronoun. So, she took a cabin belonging to the orphanage. Another example, I saw a bird which was flying in the sky. Here, simple form, I saw a bird flying in the sky. Here, which and was are excluded. Dear students, this is all for today. I hope you will remain safe and sound. Thank you all.